Welcome dear students. Today's video is for class 11 students. I am going to take the first chapter from their book Snapshots, and the chapter is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse by William Saroyan. Children, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको चैप्टर की डिटेल्ड समरी देने जा रही हूँ. बहुत ध्यान से सुनेगा, आपको पूरा चैप्टर क्लियर हो जाएगा. Let's first of all know about the author. William Saroyan. He was an Armenian-American writer. He was awarded the Pulitzer Prize for Drama in the year 1940 and Academy Award for Best Story in 1943. Some of his famous works are My Name is Aram, The Time of Your Life, My Heart is in the Highlands, The Human Committee. Students, summary के अलावा I will give you the theme and I will discuss answers to some important questions. Now children, we come to the theme of the lesson, the summer of the beautiful white horse. This chapter is based on the theme of honesty, trust and a bond between family. Murad, a 13-year-old boy, he stole the horse but returned it as he did not want his tribe to be labeled as thieves. Though they were poor, Aram and Murad were worried about their family's prestige. चलिए अब जानते हैं इस चैप्टर में मेन कैरेक्टर्स कौन कौन हैं. पहला है एरम, जो कि चैप्टर का नरेटर भी है. देन सेकंड इज मुराद, हु इज एरम्स कजन. और तीसरे है अंकल खुसराव, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर है चिल्ड्रन, जिसकी सारी ट्रेस मुराद के अंदर भी हैं एज पर द चैप्टर. जॉन बायरो, एसीरियन फार्मर, जिसका हॉर्स जो है वो चोरी हो गया था. देन लास्ट इज एरम्स मदर. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द समरी ऑफ द चैप्टर. Children, this story is about two Armenian boys. Armenia, where is Armenia? Armenia is in West Asia. Two Armenian boys named Aram and Murad. Both are cousins, children, and they both were good friends. Aram is 9-year-old boy and Murad is 13-year-old boy. They both belong to a tribe called Garuglanian, and their tribe was famous for honesty and trust, and no member of their family would ever steal. They used to be rich, but now they were poor. And the chapter starts when Murad came to Aram's house early morning. It is summer season. The title of the lesson also says the summer of the beautiful white horse. And early morning, before the sunrise, he was there. But Aram could clearly see that it was his cousin Murad there, जो कि एक white horse पर आया था उसको बुलाने के लिए. और मुराद ने बोला कि if you want to enjoy horse riding, come out fast. And Aram could not believe that his cousin was there with that beautiful white horse. Aram rubbed his eyes to make sure that he was not dreaming. They were poor. They could not afford to buy such an expensive horse. He was sure that his cousin Murad had stolen it. But at the same time, he thought that their tribe was famous for honesty and trust, and no member of their tribe, their family, would ever lie or steal. He justified this action of his cousin Murad by thinking that he had not stolen this horse for money. He said that if we would sell it for money, only then it could be considered as stealing, otherwise not. He said that his cousin Murad, he was considered the natural descendant of the crazy streak in their tribe. And before him was their uncle named Khusraw. Uncle was an enormous man with a powerful head of black hair and the largest mustache in the San Joaquin Valley. He was so furious in temper, so irritable, so impatient that he would stop anyone from talking by roaring, "It is no harm, pay no attention to it." This was his catchphrase. Once his own house was on fire, and his son ran to him to the barber shop to inform him about it. But Uncle Khusraw again said the same thing. It is no harm, pay no attention to it. He almost shouted or rather roared at his son. Murad was also crazy like this man, Uncle Khusrau. Although Murad's father was Zorib, who was a practical man, but Murad had inherited the qualities of his uncle, not of his parents, his father or mother, but of his uncle. That's what Aram said in the chapter, that it was really very common in their tribe to inherit the qualities of the other members, the family members, the relatives. He said this in the chapter, the distribution of the various kinds of spirit of our tribe had been from the beginning capricious and vagrant. Children, both Aram and Murad, they were crazy about horse riding. Murad, after they both had, done this horse riding together, Murad wanted to ride it all alone. Seeing his cousin Murad doing the same, Aram also wanted to do the same. When it was Aram's turn, horse ran away and Aram fell down. Means Aram was not able to ride it all alone like his cousin Murad. They had to spend almost half an hour to find the horse and bring it back. हॉर्स राइडिंग के बाद वो हॉर्स को एक फार्मर जिसका नाम फैतवा जैन था उसके बाद में छुपा कर आते थे। एक दिन एरम के घर में उसके अंकल खुसराव आए और थोड़ी देर में एक और विजिटर ने घर में प्रवेश किया और वो कौन था? He was an Assyrian farmer named John Byro, who was the real owner of the white horse that both Aram and Murad had been riding. This farmer, John Byro, he had learned to speak Armenian. John Byro, he shared the information of his lost horse with Uncle Khusrau. As Uncle was a crazy fellow, he shouted or almost roared. He became impatient and said the famous catchphrase, his famous catchphrase. What is that? It is no harm. What is the loss of a horse? Haven't we all lost the homeland? What is this crying over a horse? तो जॉन बायरो ने बोला कि उसकी सरे क्या क्या होगा। चिल्ड्रन, सरे क्या होता है? It is a four-wheeled carriage driven by a horse. This time, Uncle said that he had legs, he could walk. When Byro said the horse cost him $60, Uncle behaved in the same manner. तब जॉन बायरो को गुस्सा आ गया and he got up और वो उस रूम से बाहर चला गया। बाहर उसको एरम की मदर मिली and she tried to pacify him, saying that Uncle was a gentle-hearted person. His behavior like this was probably because he had lost everything and he was feeling homesick. After John Byro left, Aram ran to Murad. Why? Because he did not want the horse to be returned. Ran to Murad, who was repairing the hurt wing of a young robin bird. एरम ने मुराद को जॉन बायरो के बारे में बताया और बोला कि वो हॉर्स को तब तक रिटर्न नहीं करेगा जब तक वो हॉर्स राइडिंग सीख नहीं लेता है। मुराद said that he would take a year to learn horse riding. Aram asked him to keep it for a year then. Murad got angry. He did not want any member of their tribe to be called a thief. He said he would return the horse in 6 months. For 2 weeks, they enjoyed horse riding. Aram was still not able to learn it. एक सुबह जब वो दोनों फैतवा जान के बान में जा रहे थे, तो उन्हें जॉन बायरो मिल गया, who was on his way to town. They greeted each other. Seeing that white horse, John Byro got suspicious. He inspected the horse carefully. He asked the name of the horse. Murad had given this horse a very beautiful name, that was My Heart. Byro was sure that it was his horse. That meeting pricked the conscience of the boys and they decided to return the horse. Next morning, they took the horse to John Byro's vineyard and put it in the barn. Dogs there did not bark because Murad knew how to tackle them. Children, every time in the chapter Murad was saying that he had a way with the farmers, he had a way with the dogs, because he was also crazy like Uncle Khusrau. Murad petted the horse lovingly, and they both left from there. After a few days, John Byro came to Aram's house in his surrey and showed his horse to Aram's mother. He was happy because his horse was stronger and better tempered than before. Uncle Khusrau, who was sitting in the room, he heard him saying this all. He became irritated and he shouted from there, saying, "Quiet, man, quiet. Your horse has been returned. Pay no attention to it." This is all about the chapter, children. I hope now you know everything about it. What message do we get from the chapter? This chapter, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, teaches us the lesson of honesty even in the face of greed and passion. Both Murad and Aram, they were passionate about horse riding. Even then, they returned the horse when they met John Byro. They did not want to give their family a bad name. They did not want to be considered as thieves. Now, children, we come to question answers. I will discuss answers to some important questions with you. Why was Aram surprised to see Murad with a white horse in the morning? Aram was surprised to see his cousin Murad with a beautiful white horse, that too early morning. And he could not believe that someone from their tribe could buy such an expensive horse. He was sure, because they were poor, he was sure that his cousin Murad had probably stolen this horse. Next question is, what happened during Aram's solo ride? Now children, like Murad, Aram also wanted to ride the horse all alone. When he leaped to the back of the horse, for a moment he did not know actually what to do. Horse did not move. His cousin told him to kick into the muscles of the horse. He did the same. He followed the instructions given by his cousin. But what happened? The horse began to run and Murad and Aram was clueless what to do with him now. Instead of running across the field to the irrigation ditch, the horse ran down the road to the vineyard of Dikran Halibian, where it began to leap over vines. The horse leaped over 7 vines before Aram fell. Then it continued running. Means Aram could not ride it all alone like Murad. Now we come to the next question. Who was Uncle Khusrau? Why was he considered the craziest member of his tribe? Uncle Khusrau was an enormous man with a powerful head of black hair and the largest mustache in the San Joaquin Valley. He was a short-tempered man and he was impatient by nature. His standard response to all the problems was his famous catchphrase. What was that? I have already told you. It is no harm, pay no attention to it. Children, in this you can write about that when his own house was on fire and how he behaved with John Byro. Fourth question is, did the boys return the horse because they were conscience-stricken or because they were afraid? Children, it is not mentioned in the chapter that they were afraid. They were conscience-stricken. They got conscious. They did not want their family a bad name, their tribe, Garuglanian tribe, a bad name, because their tribe was famous for honesty and trust. After children, they met John Byro. They decided to return the horse. Because John Byro, he examined the horse and said, tooth for tooth, he would swear it was his horse if he had not known their parents. He told them that the fame of their family for honesty is well known to him. Yet the horse is the twin of his horse. A suspicious man would believe his eyes instead of his heart. And then he wished them good day and left. Now, another important question. What were the 2 things for which the Garuglanian tribe was famous? The Garuglanian tribe was famous for basically 2 things. One was poverty and other was their honesty. They were poor, they had no money. But how they were able to survive, nobody knew. And second is honesty. Aram himself says there in the chapter that they had been famous for their honesty for something like 11 centuries. Even when they had been the wealthiest family in what they liked to think was the world. They were proud first, honest next, and after that, they believed in right and wrong. And none of them would take advantage of anybody in the world, let alone steal. Now we come to the last question. Another important question, children. Character sketches of Murad, Uncle Khusraw, and Aram. Children, I will give you the points for this. You can frame your own answer. Just see the points first of all, children. Character sketch of Murad. 13-year-old Armenian boy, Aram's cousin, fun-loving, adventurous, crazy like Uncle Khusraw. Lives life to the fullest. Kind-hearted. Loved animals and birds. You can give examples, children, to all these. Handle situations patiently. Now we come to Uncle Khusraw. He was an Armenian man, belonged to Garuglanian tribe. Aram and Murad's uncle, crazy man, short-tempered, impatient, irritable, strictly follows tribe's principles, makes others quiet by roaring or shouting and saying, "It is no harm, pay no attention to it." Now children, Aram, 9-year-old Armenian boy, narrator of the story, Murad's cousin. He was passionate about horse riding, belonged to Garuglanian tribe, honest person, knew what was right and what was wrong. Children, you can quote examples from the text to all the points that I have given you for all the character sketches and frame your own good answers. Children, I hope you like this video. मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी. Like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends also. Thanks for watching.